Okay, so this is a Jorgensen clamp. There is nothing more frustrating than trying to clamp something only to have this one move. For demonstration purposes, I did remove these. If everything's working fine before and it starts to get to where it's not holding, what happens is you start to smooth out one edge on this. So to fix it, all you have to do is turn and go every other. So you have two the way they were and two the new way, and put it back together, and that will generally fix it. Another reason that it may not work, if it's not that and you've tried it, is there's three clamps here. This is black pipe, this is galvanized pipe, and this is black pipe. Well, the directions for these Jorgensen clamps says to not use galvanized pipe. This one, I bought it like this at a garage sale. I haven't had any problems. I have had galvanized pipe before that no matter what I did, this slipped. I took off the galvanized pipe, put it on a regular black pipe, and the problem was solved. So on the inside, if you see in here, you can see the spring. It goes just like this. Got a split in it right here. You just put it in like this. The long side goes here. You see there's a long and a short. And you just slide it in, and once you get one in, that's the easy part. Or now it becomes easy, and you just slide them back in, just like this. And this is how it releases. You put this back on, and now when I go to tighten this, it locks. If it's not locking and you have a black pipe, or you've had a galvanized pipe and it's worked just fine till just now, just take it apart, slide this off the end, and rotate every other, and put it back together, and it will work just fine.